What's up everyone, it's Christian from RackNerd TV. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to manually delete spam comments in bulk using phpMyAdmin and cPanel. Now, why would you ever need to do this? Well, if your WordPress site has been running for a while without strict spam protection, you might notice thousands of spam comments piling up in your database. Not only are they annoying, but they can also slow down your site and take up valuable database space. While you can remove them from the WordPress dashboard, it can be painfully slow if you have a large number of them. That's where phpMyAdmin comes in. It lets you delete spam comments in bulk in just a few clicks. And this is one of the biggest advantages of hosting with RackNerd cPanel shared hosting. With phpMyAdmin already included, you can have direct access to your database, giving you powerful tools to clean and optimize your WordPress site quickly. If you're not already hosting with us, I recommend checking out RackNerd.com. Our hosting plans make managing your site simple, secure, and reliable. Before we dive into the steps, let me also mention that in our recent tutorials, I've shown you how to reset passwords, update user emails, and disable plugins using phpMyAdmin. Today's tutorial is another handy trick that you'll want to know to keep your site clean and optimized. All right, let's move right into the steps. First, log into your cPanel account. Once inside, scroll down to the database section and click on phpMyAdmin. On the left-hand side, select the database that belongs to your WordPress site. If you're unsure which one that is, head over to File Manager and open the wp-config.php file. You'll see the database name listed here. Next, inside phpMyAdmin, look for the table called wp_comments and click on it. This table contains all of the comments submitted to your WordPress site, including pending, approved, and spam comments. To delete spam comments specifically, we'll run an SQL query. At the top, click on the SQL tab. In the query box, enter the following command. Click Go to execute the query. This will instantly delete all comments that are marked as spam in your database. If you also want to clear the comment metadata associated with those spam comments, you can run this additional query. This ensures that your database is fully cleared up without leftover records from deleted spam comments. And that's it, you've successfully deleted spam comments in bulk using phpMyAdmin and cPanel. This method is especially useful if your site has been flooded with thousands of spam entries because it lets you clean them up very quickly, in just a few seconds, really. It's another great example of the control you get with RackNerd cPanel hosting. With phpMyAdmin included, you have direct access to your database, giving you powerful ways to fix, optimize, and manage your WordPress site. So if you're still looking for reliable hosting with cPanel access, head over to RackNerd.com. And remember, if this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe to RackNerd TV for more step-by-step guides just like this one. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next video.